let the square of one side is equal to x centimeters, and let the square of another is equal to y centimeters. Then the sum of the squares అన్నాడు కదా. స్క్వేర్ అంటే x into sum of the square, x square plus y square is equal to how much? Sum of squares is equal to how much is given? 468 square meter square. Then what is given? The difference of perimeters. What is given here? The difference is 4s. 4s means here we have taken x and y sides. Here we have taken here in this diagram we have taken x, one x, another square y. The perimeters means 4y, here 4x. The difference of two perimeters is equal to how much is given? 24 is given. That's why 4x minus 4y is equal to how much? 24 is given. 4 plus 6, that is x minus y is equal to 24. Then x is equal to x minus y is equal to 6. Okay, x is equal to 6 plus y. X plus y. Substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. Then y square is equal to 468 meter square. Then x square plus y square is equal to what you have come? Here we have taken x in the x place 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. If you solve this equation, we can get the answer. And then 6 is 36 plus y square plus 2 into 6 into y. 2 into 6 into y. 12y is equal to 468.